Hey! The topic I am going to discuss is construction and labeling of semi-logarithmic plots. Semi-logarithmic plots. A semi-logarithmic plot is a type of graph that uses a logarithmic scale on one axis and a linear scale on the other axis. Steps in constructing a semi-logarithmic plot. 1. Determine the data to be plotted. Choose the data you want to display on the plot. 2. Choose the scales for the x and y axes. For the x-axis, select a linear scale that covers the range of values in your data. For the y-axis, select a logarithmic scale, example, powers of 10, that covers the range of values in your data. 3. Plot the data points. Plot each data point on the semi-logarithmic plot by locating its x value on the linear x-axis and its y value on the logarithmic y-axis. Connect the data points with a smooth line or curve. 4. Label the x and y axes. Label the x-axis with the linear scale and units and label the y-axis with the logarithmic scale and units. Example. The table shows the datas representing time and bacterial count. Here is the semi-log plot showing the relationship between the time and bacterial count. The bacteria count is doubling every 2 hours. When plotted on a semi-logarithmic graph with the logarithm of the bacteria count on the y-axis and time on the x-axis, the data should form a straight line, reflecting the exponential growth of the bacteria. This can be used to estimate the growth rate of the bacteria, and to make predictions about the future growth of the population. Advantages of semi-log plots. Displaying exponential growth. Semi-logarithmic plots are especially useful for displaying exponential growth or decay in data. They can show the relationship between two variables, even when one of them changes rapidly over time. Better visualization of small and large values. By transforming one of the axes into a logarithmic scale, semi-log plots can better handle a wide range of data values, from very small to very large. Highlighting patterns and trends. Semi-log plots can be effective for visualizing patterns and trends in data, especially when the data spans several orders of magnitude. Disadvantages of semi-log plots. Difficulty in interpretation. Interpreting semi-log plots can be more challenging than interpreting other types of plots, especially for people who are unfamiliar with logarithmic scales. Limited application. Semi-log plots are only useful in certain situations, where one of the variables changes exponentially. They are not suitable for all types of data. Inaccurate representation of data. If the data being plotted is not truly exponential, a semi-log plot can result in a distorted representation of the data. Cannot handle negative values. Semi-log plots are not suitable for data with negative values, as logarithmic scales cannot represent negative numbers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. Subscribe for more videos and also share with all your pharma mates. Thank you.